Bravo Sierra Mike, contact Inter Tower 1181.
Bravo Sierra Mike. Hey Tower, Bravo Sierra Mike with you on 18-1.
Bravo Sierra Mike, keep your speed up, your number 2, you're following traffic well ahead, about to turn final.
Bravo Sierra Mike.
Papa Golf Golf downwind 4 Go.
Papa Golf Golf, your number 3, you're following Centurion traffic on the opposite downwind. I will call your base turn.
Papa Golf Golf.
And Bravo Sierra Mike with that traffic.
Bravo Sierra Mike, thanks. Stay close to him. There's traffic on the downwind to follow you.
Bravo Sierra Mike.
Mike Tango, start a crosswind turn as soon as safely able. Keep this pattern in tight.
Julie Mike Tango, say again.
Start a crosswind as soon as safely able. Keep the pattern in tight.
Julie Mike Tango.
Mike Oscar Juliet is joining right base for 07.
Mike Oscar Juliet, for now, fly heading of 340. That should put you on right base for runway 07. You're number 1 for that runway.
Roger, 340, Mike Oscar Juliet.
Roger. Bravo Sierra Mike, cleared land runway 12.
Bravo Sierra Mike.
Mike Tango, keep this pattern in tight. There is traffic to follow you.
Julie Mike Tango.
Papa Golf Golf, clear touch and go, runway 12.
Was that Papa Golf Golf?
Papa Golf Golf, affirmative is you. Clear touch and go, runway 12.
Papa Golf Golf, thanks. Julie Mike Tango, downwind for full stop.
Mike Tango, I checked the full stop. Your number 2, you're following the Cessna traffic turning a 1 mile final. And let me know when you see him.
Julie Mike Tango with